The universe isn't just a vast collection of stars and planets. It's a mirror constantly reflecting itself, an infinite loop of existence observing its own creation. Imagine a reality where space isn't merely a backdrop, but an active participant in its own story, where everything we see and grasp is part of a cosmic feedback loop. This idea of the cosmic mirror challenges our understanding of existence, consciousness, and the nature of reality itself. Stay tuned, because diving into this fascinating perspective might just change the way you see the universe and yourself forever. The concept of the cosmic mirror. The idea of a cosmic mirror hinges on the notion that the universe is capable of reflecting itself in a self-observing cycle, demonstrating a form of intrinsic self-awareness. This concept evokes imagery of the cosmos as a vast, endless mirror, constantly observing and revealing its own structure and nature through every event, galaxy, and particle. In physics, this is sometimes related to the holographic principle, which suggests that all the information contained within a volume of space can be represented on its boundary, implying that the universe's reality might be a projection or reflection of itself. Such ideas challenge traditional notions of linear causality, hinting instead at a universe where observation and reflection are fundamental to existence. In philosophical terms, the cosmic mirror provides an analogy to consciousness itself, where the universe acts as a grand, conscious observer. It implies that at a fundamental level, reality is interconnected. What happens in one part of the universe influences the overall reflection and understanding of the whole. This echoes ancient and mystical notions that the cosmos is a divine mirror, revealing divine truths through its patterns and symmetries. Practically, this mindset can be seen in the way we interpret cosmic phenomena. The light from distant stars and galaxies is essentially a mirror of past cosmic states, allowing us to peer into the universe's history. The very act of observing distant celestial bodies becomes a form of self-reflection on a cosmic scale. Examples from current scientific inquiry frequently point to this idea. Quantum physics, for instance, explores how particles behave when observed, revealing that the act of observation itself influences reality. The universe at the quantum level appears to be participatory rather than deterministic, an intricate dance between observer and observed. Similarly, phenomena like the cosmic microwave background radiation serve as a kind of relic mirror, giving us a snapshot of the universe's infancy. These signals are direct evidence of how the universe echoes and reflects its own past states, echoing the broader pattern of self-observation. Ultimately, the cosmic mirror presents a picture of the universe as a dynamic, interconnected entity, constantly revealing itself through its own reflection. It blurs the lines between observer and participant, suggesting that understanding the cosmos is an act of mutual reflection rather than mere external study. This perspective resonates with the idea that the universe and consciousness are intertwined, each shape and pattern serving as a mirror to deeper truths that, when gazed upon, allow us temporarily to glimpse the universe's own self-awareness. The cosmic mirror, therefore, becomes not just a metaphor, but a symbol of the universe's inherently reflective and self-perpetuating nature. Historical perspectives on self-observing space. Humans have long pondered the nature of space, especially as it relates to perception and self-awareness. Ancient civilizations, such as the Greeks and Indians, approached the cosmos with philosophical curiosity that often blurred the line between physical space and metaphysical reflection. The Greeks, for instance, imagined the universe as a mirror held up to human understanding, an infinite expanse that reflects human reason and curiosity. In their cosmological models, the heavens served as a mirror for the soul's quest for truth, meaning that the universe was both an external reality and an internal mirror of spiritual insight. During later periods, the development of astronomical tools transformed how humans understood space's self-reflective qualities. The invention of the telescope in the 17th century by figures like Galileo opened up new vistas, allowing people to see distant stars and planets, effectively expanding the universe within the mind. These tools didn't merely reveal distant celestial bodies. They also prompted questions about whether the universe observed itself through human observation. Some philosophers and scientists propose that the act of viewing the cosmos was a kind of dialogue, a mirror in which the universe observed itself through human consciousness. This idea echoes modern notions of the cosmos as a self-referential entity, where observation becomes an act of mutual reflection. In contemporary physics, the concept of a self-observing universe has gained prominence through ideas like the holographic principle and quantum theory. The holographic principle suggests that all information within a volume of space can be encoded on its boundary, implying that the universe might be a kind of information processing system observing itself, from the smallest particles to the vast cosmic web. Quantum entanglement, where particles become linked regardless of distance, further blurs the lines between observer and observed, hinting that space itself might be fundamentally interconnected in a way that allows it to participate in its own self-reflection. These theories continue a long tradition of seeking explanations for how space and consciousness intertwine, emphasizing that the universe might be more than just a passive backdrop, but an active participant in its own existence. Whether through philosophical conjecture or scientific inquiry, the idea of space as a self-observing entity invites a sense of wonder about the universe's intrinsic nature. It raises questions about whether the cosmos is a mirror that reflects our consciousness or whether it possesses an intrinsic self-awareness. Throughout history, thinkers have grappled with this notion, and today's scientific models provide fresh angles to explore these age-old mysteries. This ongoing dialogue between observation and reflection keeps our understanding of the universe alive, suggesting that the cosmos is not just around us, but also within us, a mirror continuously observing itself. Theoretical frameworks and modern physics principles. Equations and models within contemporary physics often suggest that the universe may be viewed as a self-referential system, reflecting the concept of a cosmic mirror. This idea is rooted in the principles of quantum mechanics and general relativity, where space itself is not merely a passive stage, but an active participant in the cosmic dialogue. Quantum field theory, for example, posits that fields are fundamental, and particles are excitations within these fields, fields that exist throughout the universe. This creates a picture of space as an interconnected network that observes itself through the fluctuations of these quantum fields, blurring the distinction between observer and observed. Modern physics also offers frameworks that support the notion of the universe's self-awareness. The holographic principle, for instance, suggests that all the information contained within a volume of space can be represented on its boundary. This means that the entire universe could be akin to a hologram, a two-dimensional surface encoding three-dimensional phenomena. Every part of the universe, in this sense, contains clues about the whole, giving rise to a subtle echo of a mirror that reflects not just space, but the entire cosmos back upon itself. These ideas challenge traditional notions of linear causality, implying instead that the universe is a holistic entity, constantly observing and updating itself from within. The concept of time in modern physics further reinforces this idea. In general relativity, space-time is a dynamic fabric shaped by matter and energy. While the theory describes how this fabric bends and warps, it leaves open the question of whether space-time itself could possess an intrinsic form of consciousness or self-reference. Some speculative models, like certain interpretations of quantum gravity, consider the possibility that space and time are emergent phenomena arising from deeper, informational structures. These structures might contain self-referential loops, making the universe a kind of cosmic loop that simultaneously observes itself while evolving. It's a perspective that aligns with the notion of a universal mirror constantly reflecting its own state. Fundamentally, these frameworks challenge us to rethink the universe not as a collection of independent parts, but as a self-examining whole. They embody an intuitive understanding. The universe isn't just passively observed from the outside. It contains within it the mechanisms for self-telemetry. As research advances, especially at the intersection of quantum information theory and cosmology, scientists are increasingly exploring concepts like entanglement and superposition as signals of underlying self-referential processes. Everything points toward an elegant, if complex, picture, a universe that, in some profound way, observes and sustains itself through the interconnected dance of its fundamental components. Implications for humanity and future exploration. The concept of a cosmic mirror, an idea that suggests space is observing itself, challenges traditional perceptions of the universe as a passive stage for celestial phenomena. If the cosmos acts as a mirror, reflecting and perhaps even processing its own existence, then humanity's understanding of reality takes on a new layer of complexity. This idea ties into the notion that the universe could be an intricate feedback loop where observation and existence are intertwined. Such a perspective raises questions about the limits of human perception and whether our consciousness is simply a part of this reflective system or something more intertwined with its fabric. In practical terms, this notion has profound implications for space exploration and technological innovation. If the universe observes itself through phenomena like cosmic background radiation or the intricate structures of dark matter and dark energy, then detecting these signals requires instruments that can interpret a self-referential cosmos. For example, advanced telescopes and sensors that analyze the universe's faint whispers could be seen as parts of an ongoing conversation between the cosmos and itself. This raises possibilities for developing new forms of observational technology capable of decoding the universe's self-awareness, perhaps even revealing that what we perceive as physical laws are expressions of this cosmic reflection. Philosophically, the idea invites humanity to re-examine its role within the universe. If the cosmos is a self-examining entity, then human consciousness and scientific inquiry might not just be isolated pursuits, but features of a greater cosmic process. This shifts the notion of exploration from merely discovering external worlds to engaging with the universe's inherent self-awareness. Future missions could aim to understand whether consciousness exists beyond biological life in some form, or if the universe itself can be considered an evolving conscious entity. This might inspire breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and neural technologies, mirroring the universe's self-reflective nature, leading to a symbiosis between human cognition and cosmic understanding. As civilizations extend their reach beyond Earth, pondering the universe as a mirror pushes us toward more holistic, perhaps even spiritual, interpretations of reality. It encourages the development of consciousness-expanding tools, like neural implants or quantum computers, to better interpret the rumors and signals emanating from the universe's reflective surface. Ultimately, viewing space as a mirror that observes itself redefines what exploration might be, no longer merely a quest outward, but also a deepening of internal understanding, as if the universe invites us to peer into its endless, intricate reflection. Advances in understanding this cosmic mirroring could unravel mysteries about the origins of consciousness, the nature of reality, and our place within an infinitely self-aware universe. Основной, раздел 5. In the realm of cosmology and metaphysics, the idea of a universe that observes itself introduces a fascinating tension between the observer and the observed. The concept suggests a self-referential space, where consciousness and matter intertwine in a continuous feedback loop. This isn't solely about the physical universe expanding and contracting, but about a meta layer, an overarching consciousness or structure that perceives its own existence. Think of it as a cosmic mirror, reflecting not just galaxies and nebulae, but the very act of observation itself. It raises questions about the nature of reality. Is the universe just a passive entity, or is it an active participant in its own creation through acts of observation? Within this framework, the boundary between subject and object begins to blur. If the universe observes itself, then observation isn't simply limited to human consciousness or sentient beings. Rather, the universe is fundamentally aware through its own intrinsic structure. Quantum mechanics already points toward this notion with phenomena like wave function collapse, where observation appears to influence the state of particles. The cosmic mirror concept extends this idea outward, proposing that spacetime and quantum fields form a kind of continuum that is both the watcher and the watched. Experiments such as the double-slit experiment underscore this principle, hinting that the act of measurement collapses probabilities into definite realities. Now, imagine this process not happening in isolated labs, but across the entire cosmos, continuously witnessing its own unfolding. In practical terms, Contemplating such a space involves delving into models of a self-aware universe, sometimes called a panpsychic universe, or a self-stating cosmos. These models suggest that at a fundamental level, consciousness isn't just an emergent property confined to brains or biological entities, but could be woven into the fabric of reality itself. For example, some interpretations of quantum physics posit that every elementary particle possesses a primitive form of consciousness, contributing to this overarching self-awareness. In this view, the universe isn't just a passive theater, but an active, self-examining entity that generates meaning and coherence from within. The cosmic mirror becomes a symbol of this continuous self-creation, reflecting not just physical phenomena, but the processes that give rise to meaning from the depths of existence. Such ideas also have philosophical implications about the nature of reality and the limits of human understanding. When the universe observes itself, it invites us to ponder whether consciousness is fundamental or emergent. It challenges linear notions of causality and causation, prompting questions about whether prior states influence present ones or if the universe's self-awareness is a dynamic, ongoing loop. This self-reflective space could harbor multiple layers of complexity, each nested within the other like an infinite regress. Understanding or even approaching this cosmic mirror requires redefining our assumptions about the nature of observation, existence, and the interconnectedness of all things. It's a frontier that continually pushes the boundaries of science, philosophy, and spiritual inquiry, revealing how much remains veiled behind the mirror's reflective surface. As we reflect on the cosmic mirror, we're reminded that the universe is not just an expansive, mysterious realm out there. It's a mirror that constantly observes and reflects itself, revealing the intricate dance between observation and existence. We've explored how space itself might be a self-aware entity, a vast consciousness that watches over its own unfolding and transformation. It's a perspective that challenges our understanding of reality and invites us to see ourselves as part of this endless, reflective cosmos. If this concept sparks curiosity or wonder in you, you're not alone. Many have felt that uncanny connection to the universe's silent watchfulness. It encourages us to look inward as well as outward, contemplating our place in the grand mirror of existence. Keep pondering these ideas and stay tuned. More insights into the universe's mysteries are on the way. Thanks for sharing this journey with me. If you're curious to dive deeper into these cosmic reflections, be sure to subscribe and keep an eye out for our upcoming content. The universe is infinite, and so is our exploration. Until next time, keep gazing into your own cosmic mirror.